Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena, my daughter is Shivaya, and I'm going to quickly show you how to do a homemade mayo. To your blending cup, add 2 egg yolks. Add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This is very yummy and it actually gives it a bit of a tang. Add a leveled teaspoon of salt. Rather go with less salt and you can add more later if you need. A tablespoon of vinegar. Half a cup of olive oil. And a quarter cup of water. And then you can blend for about 35 to about 45 seconds. And if your egg yolk sticks to the top, take out your blending cup, give it a good shake and blend again for a few more seconds, and then you can pour it out into your bowl. This does make a lot of mayo. I am using most of it today, and if you have a lot extra, you can store it in an airtight container and keep it in your fridge for up to 4 days. So today I'm just spooning it on some chicken fillets that I've made. And I'll just add some greens and serve it on some bread or protein bread, or you can have it with veggies and a salad. If you are following the Never Hungry recipes, this is sufficient oil, so there's enough fats and there's enough protein. You just need to up your low carbs, so go with some beautiful veggies on the side, and I will add a few options in the drop down description below. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always very welcome.